Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business event highlight using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and select the Posterize adjustment because this business event visual must be eye-catching. I duplicate the background to stay non-destructive. I adjust Posterize levels carefully, pausing to see how the tones change. Business visuals need calm precision. I notice some details are lost, so I mask selectively with a soft brush to preserve important parts. I zoom in and refine edges for smooth transitions. I choose colors to highlight key business elements and text for the event. I add text layers using the Type tool, ensure